Everyone, welcome back to the channel. And I am Sandeep Jain, have decades of experience in WordPress. Today I am going to show you how to add extra menu items for logged in users in WordPress and without using any extra plugin. But before we dive in, have you ever wondered how website showing a special menu option only after you logged in? Well, you are about to learn it and easiest way possible. And yes, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Do not miss any of my WordPress tips and coding tricks. So let's get started. Uh, Suppose I want first profile link at here after menu. So like if you check for logged out user, then there is no option for it. At here you can see there is no option for logged in user, logged out user. So and now I am adding profile page and my account page after more for logged in user only. So in the first step, go in the menu. You can go in the menu after click on menus drop down inside appearance and select menu which you want to change. So I am at here and changing in the header menu. Now as you can see in the body tag, you can see one class uh, logged in class is added. And if you check at here in the logged out, there is no class of logged in. So first I will make I made menu item at here with which I want to add, like profile. I want for profile at here. Okay, and at here I will in the screen option I will check CSS classes. If not checked, then I will check. So CSS class will check, and then in the class I will add some special class for it, like logged in only. So it will show logged in parameter and a logged in class. So now if I check, then it is showing in both cases for logged out user and logged in user, because I do not add any CSS for it. So first I am adding display none, because I want to hide this menu for all. So I will go to customize and add extra CSS for our header. You can make any changes inside CSS style.css, but I am adding via appearance. So at here I am at here, and now it is hidden, and now and you can also see at here also hidden. Now our main focus is it must be so for logged in user, not for all user. So for logged in user I will add another like inside logged in because we know logged in class is already for this type of user. So we will add this CSS in the appearance. And now click on publish. Now at here I am logged out, so there is no profile page in the menu, and when I am logged in, then there is profile page inside there in the menu. So if I want more option at here, so I can also add more option like my account, page at here. So it only will show for logged in user, not for all user. Like now you can see it is showing only for logged in user. Now I can check all information regarding orders, dashboard, logout, account detail, etc. And if I am logged out, then there is no option for inside menu. Means there is no profile and my account will not show. So by this method we will add custom item in the menu for logged in user. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more real world WordPress and coding tips. Drop a comment if you want a video on showing different menus based on role. I will make it for you. Thanks for watching.